This is one of my go-to stretches before I do squats. So I like to get into my squat position and I kind of just pivot from one side to the other. I put my elbows inside my knees, and as I'm doing this, I also push my knees out to really open up my hips. You want to keep your feet flat because you're also stretching your ankles as well as your hips and your knees, getting everything ready to do a squat. And so you might not also be this low, and that's perfectly fine. Go down to your depth that you're comfortable, trying to keep your back straight. And then as I get a little bit more warmed up, I'll do a couple of these straight leg stretches into squats and then go back and forth, back and forth. Now, if you're not feeling very comfortable getting into a squat without holding on to something or just not trusting yourself, you can go ahead and hold on to a squat rack, assuming that you're warming up for a squat. So you might even be right near your squat rack. You can hold on to it, and that will give you the comfort of sitting back and really warming up your ankles and your knees and keeping your back straight. So just because you're holding on to something, try not to round your upper body too much. Stick that chest out and then just rock back and forth, getting all those joints warmed up. If one side's tighter than the other, go ahead and spend more time on that side. That's perfectly fine and normal. And then you should be good to go.